The ILC Leadership Course was an attempt at exposing young, promising leaders to experienced leaders from around the world. So what we did was we invited several speakers to join us over video call, as well as we went for a field trip and a trek. By this we were able to get experienced people sharing to young potential leaders so they can be shaped at an early age. The first speaker we had was Peter Burns, working as a consultant for FICO, Australia. He talked to us about team leadership, how to adapt to different types of leaders in your organization, how to lead different types of people in your organization. After this, we had Olav Rometveit, who is the CEO of a power corporation in Norway. He talked to us about innovation, how to have innovation in the workplace, how you can promote innovation while making sure that you're also being profitable. He also talked about different types and personalities of people we lead. After this, we had Dag Jacobsen, the leader of a tourist company in India. And Dag Jacobsen, he talked to us about heart and values of a leader. What makes you a good leader and what makes you an excellent leader. We also had Sindre Vetvik speak to us about how to run an organization based on values. How values shape the very way you lead, how you lead others, and how you lead an organization. Then we went for a field trip where we visited Manas Academy in Pittoragar. Dr. Ashok Pant talked to us about his experiences as a leader through many years, through many different situations, how to face challenges and what sort of character we need to have as a leader. The trek we went on was an attempt at exposing young leaders to stressful situations, how to work as a team, how to trust your team, how to make sure that you're doing things together and not on your own as a leader. We also did some first aid training, how to react if something happens right in front of you so that you can perhaps save a person's life. One recurring theme through the whole of the leadership course was event management. After teaching on the basics of event management, the students actually managed a real event, which was Kumani Potluck. Kumani Potluck was an effort to honor the Kumani culture, to share together Kumani food, to listen to dances, poems, speeches, to see people promote their own culture, and to see it happen within the doors and the walls of the ILC. This was a great course. I just want to thank everyone who participated and the amazing young students who now are well on their way to becoming great leaders.